Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete your AI data on Snapchat. If you're concerned about privacy or simply want to clear your interactions with Snapchat's AI, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, look for the settings icon. It's the small gear icon in the top right corner of your profile screen. Tap on it to access Snapchat's settings menu. Now, scroll down through the settings menu until you find a section labeled Account Actions. Under this section, you'll see an option called Clear My AI Data. Tap on it to proceed. At this point, Snapchat will ask you to confirm your decision. This is an important step because clearing your AI data is permanent and cannot be undone. If you're sure about deleting this data, tap Confirm. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your AI data on Snapchat. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that any past interactions with Snapchat's AI are removed from their servers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.